Are you so who's Somali in your family? I'm like, ain't nobody in my family Somali. They're like, your mom? No, my mom ain't Somali. Your dad? No. Your grandparents? No. Your mom's mom, your mom's dad? No.
Bro, it's great.
They say
Soomaalida naxariista Ilaahay na siiya fiiri aboodinaya naxariista horta geeska saaran ninkan shay ku soo wadaya dhegeysta
bro, you're Somali Jews, like you're Somali, but you were born and raised in Kenya.
This nigga finna try to go on and real hard on the mom, man, on the dad. Yeah, we gonna listen to this. Let's check it out.
Y'all wasn't even born and raised in, you know what I'm saying, Somalia. Like they're Somali Jews. You know what I'm saying? So
Hell no, more like you don't know what the hell you said. I might be raised somewhere else, but in the end of the day, my bloodline is my bloodline. Come on, shut up to us.
they're Somali Jews. So y'all sitting here pressing me about not being Somali, and y'all are Somali Jews. If they went to Somalia or Somaliland or whatever, they're the Somalis in Somaliland or whatever they're at. They're gonna say, y'all are Somali Jews.
Never that. I'm Somalian. They Somalian. We're gonna welcome them. They're gonna get their own tribe to welcome them. They don't even need me. They got their own people there.
Your daughter been talking for 2 years, and you broke her heart because I'm not Somali. Yeah, y'all bogus. Man, like guy trying to rectify your affairs. I just made dua, you know what I'm saying? But alhamdulillah, that sister, she married now. You know what I'm saying? May Allah place barakah in her marriage. Allahu musta'an.
Better be married to a Somali man. I'm about to crash out.
She probably is, right? You know what I'm saying? She probably is.
Man, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'll find out on in the hereafter, I think.
Yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, it's crazy, bro. Like, they tell you you're not valid.
Allah Soomaaliya arkaysa mar walbo oo ajnabi dawlad kala leefayo. Somebody he wants to go against what the parents did. Don't talk about the parents, man. That's their decision. They got the right. And the girl did what she's supposed to do.